How to integrate PayPal payment gateway in WordPress. So to add PayPal as a payment method on your commerce store, just come over to Plugins, click on Add New Plugin. Use this search box and type in PayPal. You will see this plugin who commands PayPal payment with over 600,000 active installations. Just go ahead and install it, and then you can activate it immediately. Now come over to Commerce Settings, then go to Payment here. You will see that a number of PayPal-related payment options have been added to the payment method here on WooCommerce. But this is the one we are going to be working with, just PayPal. So what you want to do first, you want to set up a PayPal business account. Just sign up and set up your PayPal business account. Then you can come over here and enable PayPal as a payment method here. Just click on Activate PayPal, enter your PayPal email, select the country, and then click on Next here. Go ahead and log to your PayPal account. And as simple as that, you have your PayPal account linked to your WooCommerce store. And customers can start paying you through PayPal. So I'm going to click on Return to WooCommerce here. You can see that the PayPal payment method is enabled. Now let's go to our store and try to buy something first. Let me change the currency to USD, and then just select this bag, for instance, click Add to Cut. You can already see that we have the PayPal button showing up here, but let's say if I click on View Cut and then proceed to checkout. So now we have two payment options on the checkout page. Either PayPal or FL customers can use the payment method that is most convenient for them. So if somebody wants to pay with PayPal, they can just go ahead. Either pay with your PayPal account or with their debit or credit card.